Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gala music token. Ticker symbol is music. Now this token is getting a whole bunch of new different central exchange listings. I saw all sorts of announcements on different central exchanges for this token coming soon. We're going to go over the information on the Gala music token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, I just saw a whole bunch of different central exchange listings pop up, announcements for this token here. One of them was on Gate.io, saying that they're going to get a brand new Gate central exchange listing. Another one was on Bitmart. Another one was on, what was the other one? Probit Global, and I'm sure there is a ton more. So this token is all over the place right now. And, one way to get this token here, it says trading starts December 8th at 2 a.m. UTC time. So that was last night for Gate. So it looks like you can already get it off of Gate. So you can download Gate from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search music, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you could do the same thing with a lot of other central exchanges, like the ones I just mentioned, like Bitmart. It just got listed on there, Probit Global, and I'm sure there's tons more. Now, you could probably find this token on a listing site like CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and then as those pages get updated, you'll see more and more central exchange listing links on there for you to click on and discover, where other places that you can get the token as well. Now, their main webpage here, music.gala.com. You can go over there, sign in or sign up. You can create an account. There's a home section, listen section, discover section, experiences, chart, nodes, all sorts of information on this token. So it says new artists, stream for free, own tracks, earn rewards. It says node and tracks bundle. Nodes are back on sale. Plus we're giving away free tracks when you buy one of our limited time bundle offers. To be part of the future of music, join our 25,000 plus node ecosystem, pair your tracks, and then watch your rewards roll in. And they have a buy now button for that. It says learn how to make the most out of your tracks and nodes on the Gala music platform. And they have little tutorial videos on their webpage. They have links to artists. It says buy now. You can click on those. At the very bottom of their webpage, you can find all sorts of social links. You can find a newsletter you could subscribe to. It says powered by Gala. Medium articles where they have tons of information on there as well. So let's see how many Medium they have an insane amount of Medium articles on here. So it says let's make some music, and they're talking about the new music token. It says the launch of music is almost here. Get caught up with the basics about the new token. That's your key to the Gala music ecosystem. So it looks like this project has been around a while, but the new token, ticker symbol music, is brand new. So it's been a long journey, but today finally it gives us incredible excitement to announce Gala Music's music token. We're so grateful to all of you for your patience, support, and love while we built what we believe will transform the industry, enabling you to experience music more powerfully than ever before. With the music token, you're not just listening to Gala music and their unbelievable artists. You're actively part of the story, playing a gamified music ecosystem that allows you to get closer than ever to the music that you love, discover precious undiscovered sounds, purchase tracks, and experience unprecedented rewards. There's heaps more exciting news to come and stuff, but for now, let's run through how the music token works. So music is your key to the Gala music ecosystem. It can be used to acquire, it can be acquired by supporting the Gala music ecosystem in various ways. So supporting artists with track ownership, facilitating listens with node ownership. That's what I was talking about earlier. They said they already have 25,000 plus nodes, or just exploring exciting new sounds. With the music token, the possibilities are endless. If you discover an artist you love, then take your fandom one step closer by buying one of their tracks. As you're a track owner, you'll accumulate music every time it's streamed. So if other users love it as much as you do, you'll be looking at some epic rewards. So music is a token on the Gala chain, the Gala blockchain, but it is also bridgeable to the Ethereum network, so it's cross-chain between Gala and ETH. They have the contract address in their newest Medium article. I'm sure you can find it other places as well on their papers or webpage. It says, head to the All Access store where you'll be able to get unprecedented access to totally unique experiences with your favorite artists. We're talking exclusive concerts, merchandise, and collectibles, but also one-to-one dinners, visits to music studios, and much, much more. So it looks like there was something called Beams. What will happen to Beams? It says, bye-bye Beams. We're converting these to music. So this was probably a previous token, and they're converting it to a one-to-one ratio. So if you have, 3,000 Beams, then they'll replace them with 3,000 music tokens. So there's a way to do that here. It says this will blah blah blah, goes through how to do that, but then they also have token distribution. So it says Beams can, they're just showing conversion still. And so it says one of the best things about the music token, it's built on the Gala chain, and then they talk about how great the Gala chain is. You can, maybe I've done a video on Gala, I can't remember. I've done so many token and coin videos, it's hard to remember all the videos I've done, but I'm sure I've talked about it before, but otherwise you could just look up Gala's page. I think you'd probably just go to Gala.com, but I'm not sure. Let me just punch that in. Gala.com, and we'll see what it's talking about. I got to fix this squeaky chair. Squeaky chair over here. All right. Yeah, Gala.com is going to have all the information on there. Just go over there. They have games, music, all that type of stuff. Film. They're involved with all sorts of entertainment, basically. So check out the Gala page. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about this music token down there in the comment section. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.